And so today I'm going to show you how to make 5 DIY fidgets. You will need a blue pipe cleaner and any kind of tiny hair tie. Really easy DIY. Oops, my hair tie. So for this, you will also need is scissors, hair tie, and blue or any color of pipe cleaners. First, you're going to cut your pipe cleaner just like kind of this size. It's about the size you want. Once you have that, you're going to put your hair tie through the band in the middle. So it should be even. That you're going to bend it in kind of like a necklace and then twist it up. Then make sure to cut off these really hard pieces. It might take a second. So then you don't have anything left. So once you have that, you're going to need three pipe cleaners and 3 hair ties. So once you have that, I will move on to the next. If you have that, cut them the same size. Have your 2 other ones. You're going to get your 2 other hair ties. Once you have your 2 hair ties, you're going to repeat the steps. And if you forgot the steps, that's all right. I can help you guys through it. This step is going to be a little harder. Grab your color. You're going to slip it through here. Then you're going to bend it in. But wait, don't bend it all the way. You're going to put your hair tie right here in the center and put it right on the top. Well, actually, you can change it, so it doesn't really matter. Then cut off your remaining piece because it might scratch you. So it's going to look like somewhat this. And you're going to see this. You're going to bend in this piece down to your other piece. If it sounds a little confusing, I can help. So if you see like the hard part where it points and it's like the pokey part, bend it into your other pipe cleaner space. You're going to hold up this kind of like it's dangling. Now for your last pipe cleaner. You got your own DIY fidget. And I really like it. And it's so cool. You can like dangle it and stuff. It's a pretty nice fidget for like, how long is that? Like 3 minutes? Yeah, it's pretty easy. Alrighty, next fidget. The next DIY, this provides something. DIY. So this DIY is it's probably going to be your favorite one. It's going to be a Pop-It keychain. So if you have like, kind of like flappy cardboard or something, and you can like punch a hole in or something, but I have a bunch here. So you can make your Pop-It keychain. And I'm going to show you these steps. And I already made one so far, so sorry about that. This one might be a little more difficult than the others. So, it's kind of hard to explain. So, you're going to have, like, paper or something. I'm using, like, whatever this is called. Put tape all over it, like, every area. It can't be, like, flappy and crunchy and stuff. And you're going to cut right in the middle when you have the tape. But you need to have the tape because it's not going to come out of what you want. So this is the one I'm working on. So I'm going to cut it in the middle. And only cut half, so it's kind of like a flap of a lily pad. And then flap it to the side. Then you're going to tape this little ridge. Put on Malcolm in the middle. Or are you watching hockey? Oh, what are you watching? Oh. So once you have that, it's going to look like a puppet. So just keep making down the row. I just have to make about one more. And this color is gonna be pink. I'll do the rest to the last one. What if your horse doesn't win? Alright, so this might be a little confusing. You're going to cut 3 circles just where you want these. And I'll show you guys when we're done. Oop. So let's get to it. here's mine, and mine is finished. I love it so much. There's blue, green, pink, and then there's the little circle. And I really, really like this fidget. This gets Fidget of the Day award. I love it. It's like metallic, kinda. And you can hang it up to stuff. Now, let's add the keychain part. Actually, I think I could just... This is so cool. I didn't know I could DIY like this. So that's a really cool one. Now for our... Wait, one, two... Our fourth fidget of the day. Then you're finished. And you need to listen to it up close. It's so nice. It's the last one. For this, you will need 2 beads. You can pick any colors. And much as hair ties as you want. Let's get started. This one's pretty easy and it's really cool. What you're going to do is you're going to grab a hair tie and you're going to slip it through the bead. It might be a little tricky to get it through, but you'll get it through in about like 5 seconds. And leave that right there. Then you're going to pull it through just like this and hold your thumb exactly like this. You're going to add one right here. And then keep adding.